What if your own immune system was secretly killing you, one cell at a time? In type 1 diabetes, it does. The immune system is one of the most extraordinary creations in the human body. A system so precise, it can tell friend from foe with just a single glance. But in type 1 diabetes, that precision collapses. Inside the pancreas, it feels like a crime scene. Cells meant to defend you arrive as though responding to an emergency. Alarms blaring, weapons drawn. And they kill the cells, which makes insulin that keeps you alive. Over centuries ago, scientists discovered insulin, which turned type 1 diabetes from fatal to survivable. But insulin is not a cure. So they doubled down on what seemed obvious, focusing more on the genes that causes the disease. But here's the twist. Those risky genes are not enough to explain the disease. Millions of people carry them, but never develop the disease. So what if we've been looking in the wrong place all along? What if the key to curing type 1 diabetes is not in the genes that causes it, but in the ones that protect against it? These rare individuals walk around with an immune system that looks at the pancreas and says one thing: protect. Some of them may even be in this room. So instead of asking why the immune system attacks, I study an immune system that already knows how to stay calm. And I ask, what if we could teach everyone else to do the same? Next, I turned to those rare individuals and took a sample of their blood. And that raised another question. When the immune system meets the pancreas, why does that moment turn violent in some people, but not others? To answer that, I rebuilt that exact moment in the lab piece by piece. I brought the immune cells into contact with the same piece of the pancreas they attack, and I froze the moment they met. Then I zoomed in up close, not with a microscope, but down to the atomic level to watch how that first contact, that initial handshake, was formed. What this tells us is simple. Protective genes do not silence the immune system. They rewire that initial interaction, guiding it towards peace instead of attack. And if we can learn from this protection, we may be able to stop type 1 diabetes before it even starts. Thank you.